And ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Thank y'all for being part of the network. Today's topic is a serious topic. Normally I'm more upbeat. Normally I'm a little bit more, energetic, but I do want to be serious. I do want to talk about a very real thing. That is the coronavirus and appliance repair. There is now one confirmed person in my county that has the coronavirus. It's definitely here, and it's probably wherever you're at. Hopefully not, but hopefully you don't. It's not where you're at. But what does this mean, and what has changed, and what's my opinion on it? Well, I'm no expert on the coronavirus, but I only know that it could be contacted through sneezing or it entering into your body, or airborne, like you're breathing within the proximity of somewhere near you. So, and I advise you to research your own understanding of it. But what does that got to do with appliance repair? Well, we're in people's homes, and I don't know where the next guy's been. I don't know what the next guy has touched. I don't know who, anybody around me, particularly at this point. And I'm not gonna lie, what I hear on the news, you'll hear one side of the news outlets say oh, don't worry, there's no coronavirus, only a few people died, piece of cake. And then you got the other side it's because of the president, the coronavirus is gonna kill everybody, so you got one extreme, and then you got the other extreme. What I believe is somewhere in the middle. I think that it's definitely serious. I don't think it's a matter to be taken lightly, and I think that we need to protect ourselves. And what am I doing to protect myself? Well, I have my little hand sanitizer. You know what I'm saying? I haven't gotten crazy yet and bought a mask. I just think it would look inappropriate, considering I don't think we're there yet. But I noticed that I've been really more aloof from my customers. Before I was more I'd walk up to them, extend my hand. Now I try to use non-contact, cues, hey, how you doing? And when they want to get near me, I try to take a step back, but subtle. I don't want to make them feel scorned, if you will. But we're talking about my life. You're talking about your life. Where's that fine line of, and I don't know the answers on this one, so in the comment section, tell me what you think, tell me how you're going about it. Again, I'm not saying I'm right, I'm not saying I'm wrong, I don't know. I'm learning daily along with you guys, so I'm curious to know how you guys are going about it. So please put them in the comment section. Don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, and share button. But and then I had a situation yesterday where I did a job with one of my buddies, and we were putting in this compressor. This guy kept coughing and coughing and coughing and coughing, and I asked him hey boss, respectfully, you okay, man? You don't feel sick or anything? You haven't traveled anywhere? And that was awkward, but I had to do it. But then his response was just as goofy and awkward, because he was well, if I did, I wouldn't know at this point. Ha ha ha. And it's man, I didn't find the humor in that. But I don't want to get upset and say something that I shouldn't. So it's an awkward time to be into appliance repair right now because of this coronavirus. Again, I don't want to be a fear monger. I don't think it's as serious as people are making it. And I also don't think that it's as light as people are making it. I think it's somewhere in the middle. Like I said, I'm washing my hands a lot more, being a lot more cautious of what I touch. I'm trying not to touch my face a lot unless I sanitize them. Again, I'm trying not to be in proximity of my customers. Only thing I can tell you guys is watch yourself while you're out there. But again, like I still haven't found like that fine line where I could like tell customers like, hey, I don't really want to be close to you or shake your hand or anything. Polite, I'm still learning that. So, like I said, guys, just be safe out there. I don't have all the answers. I'm just bringing this up because I want feedback. So, again, please, in the comment section, tell me what's working for you guys. Tell me how you guys are going about it. Again, this is a network. So, anybody that got anything to add, please include them in the comment section. Until then, read up on it. Stay alert. Stay safe. Love, peace, and